Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another exciting one. Why? Because we are doing an unboxing. Yay! Yes, exactly. So feel free to grab your favorite beverage to enjoy this video. Like, I am super duper excited. But before I get started, I'd like to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. I appreciate you a lot. Like, you have no idea, because without you guys, there is no me here on YouTube. I am super grateful for your unending support. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my beautiful face. My name is Buki. I make videos about luxury handbag, about solid gold jewelry, about fashion and beauty sometimes. So if any of this content is something that you love, feel free to hit the subscribe button below to join us, and I promise you, you are going to have a lot of fun around here. Overall, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You know what it does? It encourages me a lot to keep going, and it's also a way for me to know the type of video that you love for me to make more of. So without dragging this intro for too long, I'd also like to remind you guys, if you have not yet followed me on Instagram or TikTok, please do so. I'm going to leave my handle for you on the screen. On those platforms, I don't only inspire you on how to style, but I also encourage you to wear your style with confidence. So without dragging this intro for too long, let's just jump right into the unboxing. Yay! All right, so this is our little box of goodie that we're going to be unboxing today. Don't mind me, who am I deceiving, right? Like, the title, you guys already know what we are unboxing by the title, but let me pretend like I don't know that you know the name of the bag we're going to be unboxing. So yeah, our goodie is right here in this box. Are you ready to see what's in it? Are you ready? All right, let's do this. So, unveiling in process. Step 1, out. Ta-da-da-da-da, 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 ta-da-da, 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 ta-da-da. Yes, it's a Saint Laurent bag, and it is actually one of my favorite Saint Laurent bags. It's the one that I already have one of. Ta-da-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da, and here is our latest YSL kit bag in the size small, in color blue. Yes, can you see that? It's in this electric blue color, which I love a lot. If you guys have been following me, you know that this is my second YSL kit bag in the size small. This is what it looks like. I have done a detailed video before about this bag, but in case you don't know, this is one of the bags in my collection that I highly recommend. And yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside, same as the one that I had before. It has that compartment over there. I'm gonna take out my authenticity card later after this video. It comes with this strap, which you can wear in multiple ways. I also made a reels about, you know, how to style your bag with the strap. You can wear it in so many ways. It is super versatile. So yeah, this is this bag. Again, I have it in another color, which is in black. So now I have it in two colors, but in a different color. Yeah, I love this bag a lot. Like, if you are looking for like a nice bag, this is the bag that I highly recommend. I have talked about this bag in so many videos. I spoke about this bag in the video where I told you about the first luxury bags that you should invest in if you are just getting started. This is one of them, not only because it is beautiful, it is also durable and versatile. Or you get your money's worth from this bag. So yeah, this is the bag that I just got, and I'm so excited to add it to my collection. And another reason why I am excited is because I don't have any. I actually do have one blue bag, but it has like brown details all around it. It's by Dooney & Bourke, and it's a different style entirely. So this is the first blue bag that I have in my collection. I do have blue shoes. I think about 1 or 2 blue shoes that I have in my collection. I actually have blue shoes, but I don't have any blue bag. So I am really excited about this one. I can't wait to style it. And of course, when I style my bag, I'll definitely be showing you pictures on my Instagram and my TikTok. Yeah, I'm gonna link a video for you below in case you want to know the dimension, the price, and all that good stuff. I already mentioned that in the video that I made before about the YSL kit bag. It still comes highly recommended by me, and yes, I got another one in the color blue. So yeah, that's all about today's video. If you have any particular questions about this bag or any bag in my collection or any bag that I don't even have in my collection at all, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer you. So before we see you again, guys, I hope you remain blessed and I wish you peace.